If you have an Apple MacBook, iMac or Mac Mini and often need to take screenshots or screen recordings during your work, this video will be very useful for you. Everything is explained in detail in this video. In this video we will take screenshots or screen recordings using keyboard shortcuts. If you want to take a full screenshot, follow the steps below. Press Command plus Shift plus 3. Click the Done button to save the screenshot. If you do nothing, it will automatically be saved to your desktop as a .png file. You can rename, format, and edit this screenshot later. If you want to take a screenshot of the selected area, follow the steps below. Press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse button to take the screenshot. You can record your MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini screen easily. You can record your Mac screen without using another app or tool. Screen recording. Press Command plus Shift plus 5. On the toolbar, select Record Entire Screen or Record Selected Part. You can explore more features by clicking the Options button. Click the Record button to start and the Recording button will appear on the menu bar. To stop recording, click the Recording button on the menu bar or press Command plus Control plus Escape. Your screen recording videos will appear like this. Click the Done button to save the recordings. If you do nothing, it will be automatically saved to your desktop as an MP4 file. You can rename, format, and edit this video later. Your screenshots and recordings are saved to your desktop by default, but you can edit them or change the location later. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.